Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax returns for previous years. Filing past due returns is crucial to avoid penalties and interest, and it can even help you claim a refund you might be owed. The IRS encourages taxpayers to file all delinquent returns as soon as possible to resolve any outstanding tax obligations. This proactive step can prevent further issues and ensure you remain compliant with tax laws. The first step is to gather all your necessary tax documents for the year you need to file. This includes W-2, Form 1099, and any other income or deduction statements. If you're missing documents, you can request a tax transcript from the IRS using Form 4560. It's vital to use the correct tax forms for each specific year, which are available on the IRS website. Once you have your documents, you can prepare your return using tax software or by consulting a tax professional. For prior year returns, you generally cannot e-file, so you will need to print and mail a paper return. Double-check that you are sending your completed return to the correct IRS mailing address for your state to ensure proper processing. Understanding penalties is key. The failure to file penalty is often 5% of the tax owed for each month, up to a maximum of 25%. If you are due a refund, you generally have 3 years from the original due date to claim it, so don't miss out on money you're owed. Remember, even if you owe, filing limits penalties. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.